Hey guys, it's Tyler here from PVS Tuning. We're here with Alec and Mike. So Mike from SME, who's designing and building the awesome turbo kit we're going to fit today, and Alec, who from Racefix Parts, who actually sells all the turbo kits for, especially in New South Wales anyway. Yeah, so we're going to fit it up with Mike as well. So we're just going to dummy fit everything, and hopefully, if everything goes well, we're going to get on the dyno and do some runs and see how we go. And we're fingers crossed, yeah, we can crack a reasonable number on 98. We don't have the injectors to go E85 at the moment, just with the software and what have you. It's not quite there yet, but yeah, hopefully it performs well enough on 98. We don't have to worry about it in the short term. So we'll get started fitting it, and yeah, we'll see you back in the dyno room. Hey guys, all right, so we've done some preliminary testing on this, the new turbo kit, and honestly the 2.4, wow, it's kind of blown me out of the water a little bit. We had some numbers that we thought we'd reach in our head from what Mike was, and both of us were predicting, but yeah, and it's kind of came to fruition. So on a very low, like 8 pound, we're getting roughly 230 kilowatt, and we're cracked the 400 newton meter mark, or very close, on 98. So and that's on the stock clutch and everything. I thought let's just try it on the stock clutch, see how we go. Mate, this thing didn't slip, didn't miss a beat. So for how long, I have no idea, but so far on a very, very low boost, we've actually got a 7 pound spring in this, because we didn't know, we're right on limit on fuel. So any more boost, then we do have to go bigger injectors. So, but even if you said safely 220 to 230 on stock injectors on this thing with a standard clutch, even so far, seems to be totally fine. So the difference, I've got a G25 kit on a 98 tune, which it's probably a bit hard to see, but on average you can get those up if you're running about sort of 10 or so pounds. Sorry, this is a G30, sorry, 660 kit. So they make a pretty good peak number on the 2 litre. They still make about 215, and they make about 340 newton meters, which is still awesome. But the difference is on less boost, the new 2.4s, mate, they just love it. Mate, we're making 400 newton meters at 3,800 RPM, which is a fair bit, like it's plenty. I reckon on E85, once we get injectors and we run a little bit more boost, even on 10 pound, this will make 450, close to 500 newton meters. Honestly, I don't know if the box that'll be the next limit on this thing. I think the gearbox. So, and clutch, bit of a grey area, but so far so good. But yeah, really impressed. And Ecutek software, it's been pretty good. There's still a few things which I'm a little bit scared about when I'm going to the bigger injectors. A few things that aren't quite there in the software for me to be 100% confident in rescaling the larger injectors. I think they're just missing a few things which I'm sure they'll rectify soon. But so far on the stock injectors, mate, no problem solved. The car's awesome. So yeah, super excited. We're going to do some road testing with it and get some more photos and what have you, and put the bumper back on and double check the fitment. But so far so good. It's been fantastic. So yeah, we're going to post up a few more runs too, just so you can hear it on the dyno. But yeah, unreal. So thanks for watching. Don't forget, if you've got any questions, you can email us, or you can also email Racefix Parts, because they're the ones that are selling it in New South Wales anyway. So, and it gives you pretty good advice. So cool. All right, thanks for watching, and we will talk to you soon.